Hi ladies, happy Friday. Tomorrow will be the last day that we will be celebrating our open house. So celebrating that means that everything in the store will be 30% off store-wide. We do have 3 exclusions, and that's Brighton, Julie Voss, and our formal wear. But everything else in the store will be 30% off, and tomorrow will be the last day. As an extra bonus, we are going to feature our parsley and sage. We are down to 1 rolling rack. We probably started off with at least 4 rolling racks of parsley and sage, but we are down to 1. This is every piece and everything that we have in the store. We are going to do those for Saturday, and Saturday only, 50% off. So I will quote you the original price, so you take off, just cut it right in half. We'll make it 50% off. Okay, I'm gonna start with Parsley and Sage. Is known for, they do awesome tops. They're mainly a top, and they've started adding a lot of dresses. I don't think I have any dresses in here, but there may be a couple over there. Okay.
We can take a field trip when we're done.
We'll take a field trip when we finish. But Parsley and Sage is known for all their whimsicalness. They do so much detail. The fabrics are phenomenal, and their prices are good. So it's a win-win. And as we have started carrying Parsley and Sage, we used to do, I don't know, we would order a couple of thousand a season. Now we're almost in the 10 of thousands a season. So it is a phenomenal line. So it's grown that much. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you is just going to be, it's just a nice knit. It's a little bit heavier than a t-shirt. It has a chunky button. It is a V-neck, but they always do some kind of detail. Like this has just got a stitch going down, asymmetrical here. It is asymmetrical in the back. They just do, nothing is plain. So it is a 3/4 sleeve, great filling fabric. And it is kind of in a zigzag, and it's kind of in a mulberry and black combo. The original price is $68, so that means it would be $34. So in that top, I have a medium and I have a large. The next one is kind of in a little bit heavier weight than a t-shirt. This is kind of their color. They're known for this, where they do the prints and they do the solids. They do a side button, they do a V-neck, they do the little button detail here, they do a pocket, and of course it continues to the back. So this is kind of a charcoal gray with a beautiful muted print. It is priced at $68, and in that I have 2 mediums, I have a large, and priced at $75. I do have that in a 1X and a 2X. This is the same style I just showed you, but this is the last piece, and this is kind of in a charcoal gray, and then it has a touch of the topaz or a gold color with a little bit of a blue there. Same asymmetrical side with your cute little mini buttons there. Priced at $68, and this is a medium. Here's another thing that they're always famous for. They always do a laser cut in the print, and they stitch it on the background of the solid, so you get a mixed, it almost looks like it's printed on, but it's actually embroidered or pieced on. And it does have the solid going down the side, a very slenderizing look. Has a cute little pocket there. It is a V-neck, again 3/4 sleeves, $75. And that I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have an extra large, and priced at $83. I have that one in a 1X and a 2X. This one has got an asymmetrical, but this is kind of in a modified scoop. This one has a little bit of a brushed feel to it. A beautiful, kind of a more of an artistic print to me. And it's got a lot of earthier colors in it. So your rust and your beiges with a pop of color. It is priced at $70. And in that, I have a small and a medium. This is another just cotton tee. It has a dolman sleeve. It is an all over print, and it just has a modified crew neck there. This is, even though the print stands for itself, this is about as basic as they get. This doesn't have any button detail. It doesn't have just the doma sleeve, and the style and the print is what makes it special. Priced at $63. I have a small and I have a large in that. Another fun, whimsical print. Lots of shades of blue. It's also popped with black and navy. It is, I think, a 3/4 sleeve. It is. It has your raw stitching down the front with your 2 pockets and the raw stitching going down the back. This one is priced at $68. It's kind of actually in a French terry fabric because the inside of it's got that little texture to it. That I have a small and a medium. Okay, these are the rayons. They do these every year. They're very vintage. They do a lot of detail on them. And every time you look at one, you see something different. But the way they did the shading and the color and the stitching is just wonderful. Has that ruffle at the bottom. In the back, you have got your stitching going down the back and the sides to give it a little bit of a style or a shape. And then it has your soutache or whatever trim going around the neckline as well as in the front. This is in the smoke color, priced at $70. I have that in a large, and priced at $78. I have it in a 2X. It's the same type style. This is one of their velvets that they do every year. It just is a modified V-neck there. It has a 3/4 sleeve. And then the sleeve is done the same way around the yoke. Just very vintage, a fun piece that gets lots of compliments to be something plain. And it is in a rayon, so it'll be nice, cool fabric. Priced at $68. This is the last one in this color. It's a medium. We also have one piece left of this one, kind of in that mauve color. This just happens to be a 2X, and it is at $75. We're still in the same fabric. This one has got a little bit of a mixtured fabric here. It's almost got a little bit of a waffled fabric there in with it. It has all of your stitching in the front, and the back is pretty much plain except for the stitching, and then around the neck, the yoke. Priced at $70. I have that in a small, and priced at $78. I have it in a 2X. The next few I'm going to show you are onesies. This is the last piece. This is in their black wash, and it is like in a two-tone. They've done a lighter, it's a different fabric. This has kind of got the knit inset, and it's something you can wear as a top or a jacket. Priced at $83. It is a size large. Remember, the prices I'm quoting you are the original, so you would take half of that for Saturday. This is kind of in a melon color. It's that same rayon type fabric. The sleeves have got all of the stitching and the work done on the sleeve. You have that yoke in the back with the work and in the front. And this is kind of in a coral or a salmon shade. Last piece, priced at $70. This is a medium. This is another one piece, and this is kind of in a wineberry. And it has got an offset. It's a little bit higher in the front than in the back. This one is probably just a little bit dressier. The fabric makes it a little bit dressier. This is a size small, and it is priced at $93. They always do something with this soutache trim. This has kind of got a black lace background or a sheer background. The sleeves are not lined, so a little bit of skin would show through. It's a little bit dressier. The whole bodice part is lined. So this has got your charcoal gray with the black background and shades of blue. Priced at $65, a great price, and this is a large. Another one piece. This is how they do. I think I showed you one very similar in black or navy and black, and this is navy and multicolored. This is a size small, and it is $72. This is just a fun print. This has got your asymmetrical side. It is a size small, and the original price is $68. Now we're into some things that have a few pieces. This is a cardigan in a paisley print. It is in a woven, so it doesn't give quite like a knit, but it is a beautiful print. Put this on with a navy bottom and pop it with a navy tank underneath it, a white, or putting that pretty aqua blue there underneath it would be make a beautiful outfit. Great for spring. Priced at $75. I have a small, a large, and an extra large. This is their tunic in a crinkled knit. The print is the a flatter knit. It has a messenger pocket. It has an offset, so you have a nice slit there that is a finished look. It has a solid sleeve and a solid cow neck. Originally priced at $83. I have a small, 2 mediums, 2 large, and an extra large. Here is their soft crinkled knit fabric. This we actually did in 3 colors. You can see how it is an off. It might show up in the against a black background, but it's kind of like a stepped hem, so it's shorter on one side. It's got an asymmetrical raw stitching going down the side, priced at $65. This is the last one in this color. It is a, I'm so sorry, that's not the blue. In that color, I have a medium, a large, and an extra large. I have 1 piece left of this blue. Same style, also at $65. This is a large. We also did that in black. We believed in this. This is a proven body for them that they continue to do. The fabric feels so soft and amazing. At $65, I have a small, I have 2 mediums, and a large in that. The next thing I'm going to feature is what I've got on the end cap here. This is one of their capes. It is completely reversible, so you have a black cape as well as a print. The top underneath it that is in the print is also reversible. This would be a wonderful item for packing or going somewhere. You can wear, you can wear both pieces as a solid black, or both pieces as print, a print and a solid, or a solid and a print. Makes for wonderful packing and a nice wardrobe change. The cape is priced at $83. It is a 1 size, and I have 2 pieces of that. The reversible V-neck top is priced at $85, and I have that in a small, a large, and an extra large. And remember, it reverses to black. The next piece I have on is what I have on in a velveteen bomber jacket. Reminds me of the members only jacket. It's a shorter, you can see it's a little bit shorter style. It's got the banded black band as well as it does on the cuffs and on the collar. It is a velvet, and the print is absolutely beautiful if you see it up close. It reminds me, it's kind of oriental looking with the birds and the flowers. A black background with the pops of colors. It is priced at $113. I have 2 mediums. And the last but not least piece in the tops is going to be this velveteen jacket. Has a beautiful side slit. You put this, open this up, put this on with all black, all gray, all winter white, and it could be really dressy. If you want to wear it as a top, it's beautiful because it's open at the bottom. The zipper doesn't go all the way down, so you get the fabric going through.
I think it's eyelets. I don't think it's a zipper.
Oh, okay.
So I think you
are absolutely
have to wear a shell or something underneath.
You will have to. I'm so sorry. I did not realize that. Priced at $120, and in that I have a large, an extra large, and at the same price I have it in a 1X. Then let me go over here. Are they at one certain place?
I think they're over in that corner, so I'll follow.
Okay.
And like she said, tomorrow those will be half off. You'll just take half off the price that she told you, and they will be a final sale since they are marked down. But we just wanted to show these okay. Those items.
Okay. Cute style dress. I have this in a linen for spring. I think this print was in a 2-tone top that they had. Really, really cute. It still hits below the knee, so it's not that short. This is kind of fitted up here, and it's a fit and flare, but it is a beautiful print, a nice weight, priced at $105. I have that in a small and a medium. This was another great repeat style. It's just a cow neck. It has a ruche sleeve. This is just in a cotton knit. It does have pockets, an all over print. The original price is $93. I have that in a small and a medium. Make that 2 mediums. And that's it,
And
isn't
I
it?
think that might be
Okay.
it.
And that's it for parsley and sage, ladies. So we have got, remember, all parsley and sage as of tomorrow and tomorrow only. You will have to call by 4 o'clock tomorrow if you want to get the half off price. And we are happy to ship to you for an $8 flat rate fee. You can call the store at 336-766-7440. But we are also continuing with our Christmas open house of store-wide 30% off. So the exclusions are Brighton, Julie Voss, and our formal wear. So if you saw something on the video, let us know. If you didn't and you'd see something previously, it'll still be 30% off. That includes all clothing, shoes, bags, jewelry. We have got lots of great things in the store. So come do your Christmas shopping tomorrow where it's nice and warm, and we'll wrap it up for you. I hope you have a great one and have a good weekend.